Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadai. What do you think about this Burfi? Isn't it looking just like the ready-made Gajar ki Barfi? Can you actually believe that we have made this Burfi at home? So in today's video, I'll be sharing how to make Gajar ki Barfi at home which looks just like the ready-made Burfi. I'll be sharing a very simple way to make this Burfi. So let's get started. To prepare Gajar ki Barfi, we'll take half a kg of carrots. So you need to wash and peel the carrots. After that, instead of usual grating the carrots, which we normally do to prepare Gajar ka Halwa or Gajar ki Barfi, we will opt out a simpler way. What we need to do is we need to roughly cut all the carrots in this manner. So after cutting all the carrots, then we need to chop these carrots using a chopper. So here I have this chopper with me into which we'll chop all the carrots. So it will take very less time to chop the carrots rather than grating the carrots, which is more time consuming. So just in fraction of minutes you will be able to chop all the carrots. Here I have half a kg of carrots. Even if you have to chop 1 kg carrots, it will not take too much of time. So here we have chopped the carrots. If you do not have a chopper, then one can also grind the carrots in a mixer grinder. So in a mixer grinder you need to pulse it. Your chopped carrots will be ready. And here we have chopped all the carrots. Now let's start to prepare our Gajar ki Barfi. Heat a kadai or a heavy bottom pan. Into this we'll melt 1.5 tablespoon of Desi Ghee. Then we'll add our chopped carrots in it. Desi Ghee is best to prepare this Barfi. After that we need to saute the carrots till the carrots are cooked nicely. We need to cook the carrots on low to medium flame. It will take approximately 10 to 12 minutes to cook the carrots. Keep on stirring the carrots till these are cooked nicely. Once the carrots are cooked, then we will add 3/4 cup of sugar in it, which is approximately 150 grams. So for half kg of carrots, I am adding 150 grams of sugar. If you like less sweet, then you can even reduce the quantity to half a cup. After adding sugar, you will see that the mixture will loosen up as sugar will melt down. So continue to saute it with frequent stirrings for another 10 minutes or so. Keep the flame on low to medium side. Do not increase the flame. Gradually you will see that this mixture will dry up. So after that we'll add cardamom powder. I am adding half a teaspoon of it. This is for flavor. However, if you do not want to add it, then you can omit it. Mix it well, and you can also see that the mixture has dried up. At this stage we'll add our Mava or Khoya. This is 150 grams of Khoya I am using for half kg of carrots. Then we'll combine both sugar and carrot mixture with Khoya or Mava. One can use the backside of the spatula to combine everything nicely in this manner. Ensure that there are no lumps in this mixture. So here you can see we have combined everything nicely. Now we need to cook it till the mixture thickens up and there is little moisture left, because if there is too much moisture in it, then the Barfi will not set nicely. So it will take only 5 to 7 more minutes. So cook it on low to medium flame and continue to stir the mixture. And our Barfi mixture is ready. It has thickened up properly. Therefore we are able to move it with the help of a spatula. At this stage we'll switch off the flame. And then we'll transfer the mixture in a greased tray. I've greased the tray with Desi Ghee. Just flatten out the mixture, and depending upon the height of the Barfi you want, you can set it out nicely. To smoothen out the surface of the Barfi, you can use the backside of the plate and just rub it in this way. It will also give a nice sheen to the Barfi. Then we'll top it up with few chopped cashew nuts and pistachios. And after that, press it down slightly. Further, to give that actual market ready-made look, we'll use this chandi ka Vrak. Ensure not to touch it using your hand. Just gently press it on the top. One can easily find this chandi ka Vrak in the market. Otherwise, if it is not available, then you can avoid using it. After that, we need to set the Barfi for at least 2 to 3 hours or until the time it is set completely. That's about it. Our Gajar ki Barfi is ready. This is the original color of our Barfi. We have not used any food color in it. So then you can cut the Barfi in any desired shape. This barfi is looking just like the ready-made market Gajar ki barfi, isn't it? So we'll remove this one piece and I'll show it to you. Wow, one can even use a pellet knife to easily remove the barfi pieces and have a closer look at it. Our delicious, lovely, yummy Gajar ki barfi is ready. So friends, do try making this Gajar ki barfi. I'm sure you will really like the taste of it. You will impress your family members with it and ensure not to tell them that you have made it at home. I know you want to try out this barfi right away, so don't waste any more time. Just try it out and let me know how does it turn out for you. I hope you enjoyed watching our today's video. Please do like our video, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai if you're not subscribed till now. We'll be coming up with more such interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.